Hello everyone. Let's look at the project. Look at how much garbage is here. Garbage is here, right here, and then it became so professional. Let's get started. Scan. Look. See, there's garbage here. There's garbage here too. Look. There's garbage everywhere. That's it, we've cleared everything. There is no garbage left with one click. But here it warns us, it's also kind of garbage. But be careful, see if you need something from this. I checked, I don't need anything. So I deleted it. You see, scanned, garbage appeared again. The materials are left somewhere, something else. Here's one more thing that's left. Now let's do a deep cleaning. Here we have deeply cleansed. See, there's nothing left. These are default names. Let's rename it to be like a professional. Please renamed. It's all gone. Rename everything. Quickly. That's it. Everything was renamed. Well, let's rename the materials as well. Everyone, look like a professional has lungs. You see everything, there is no garbage anywhere. Everything is clear, everything is very good. And here you can also see the statistics of your scene. Here are all the statistics. Now an easy project without garbage, like a professional.